Taking a look at Bitcoin here. We are at a spider line. This is the non-log. These are the 2.0 spider lines, the most recent. We broke through the trifecta of before, so now we're down here. And on the non-logs, we're sitting right at a spider line here. This is the daily RSIs, red and open money flow coming down, momentum's coming down. So this is bearish on the daily. Let's go to the weekly actually here and take a look-see here. All right, momentum coming down here. Let's see, we got 2.5 days left in the week. I don't even know what day it is, dude. That's crazy. The 2-week clipping on momentum right at the 60 line. Typically, when momentum is above the 60 line, it's got power. On lower time frames, for example, like when a wave first crosses, most of the time there's still another wave, right? This time there was only a single wave. Normally, it's when the wave first breaches that 60 line, there's at least one more most of the time. So that didn't happen here, and this is a lower, a lower low on momentum on the 2-week. VWAP is coming down, so that's a little concerning. That is a little concerning on the 2-week. But, has it played out? Has that played out? On the 3-day, we'll take a look at the 3-day. These are hiking the sheet candles. The gates are open to the downside right now. VWAP oscillation is curving up. But this can diverge. If the VWAP's coming up, while the VWAP's coming up, price can keep coming down until this thing gets up there. Just as a note, we'll see if that starts pinching, if this momentum starts pinching on the 2-day. Hasn't pinched yet. And we cannot say this is pinching because it can keep going. So on the 2-day, VWAP still coming up, money flow, momentum's coming down. Not looking really good on the 2-day here. Not looking really good on the 2-day. Bitcoin's going to need to hold this spider line. Let's go to the daily. Week, this is weak sauce. Weak sauce, RSIs, scattered, red. Doesn't look good for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, which kind of brings me to what I'm thinking overall. And let me just kind of tap on that for now. If we go to the weekly and we kind of look at the big picture here, I know it's a little messy. Okay, here it's 2025. Okay, 2026. Boom. Okay, so this is the end of the year. This line right here is the end of the year, the new year. And the idea is, well, don't we pump in October, November, December? That's when we hit all-time highs, right? So if we measure the drops, let's say, let's just go off these ones. Or like even this one. From here to when the candle first starts coming up, what is that? 77 days? That brings us to October 25 into November. So we can actually see, 2 months of overall bearish action. And then come, October, November, boom, that's when we start popping off. We've been kind of comfortable. I feel like everyone, and hopefully it does, everyone just kind of wants this thing just to keep on going for the rest of the year. Just stay this direction, up for the rest of the year. But that might not be happening. That might not happen. We might need to see these dog days of summer come down a little bit. And then at the end of the year, boom, maybe we have that. So not saying that's what I think is going to happen. I'm just saying that we kind of have to prepare ourselves mentally that is within the wherewithal of what could happen. If things keep kind of looking, lame, if we don't get curvature back up, if this doesn't come back up, momentum doesn't come back up, RSIs don't come back up. And so I think we need to assess the possibility, that we don't have to just keep going up for the rest of the year. We can come down and then come back up in October, November, December. There's still plenty, 3-4 months left. So, let's see here. What is that? The 12-hour, the 6-hour. Yeah, choppy. No curvature coming back up here yet.